how to calibrate your seat position. So go ahead and put the ignition on your car. Make sure the key is inside the car. So basically you come to your driver's seat and you're gonna use the left and backwards up and down button. First you're gonna go all the way forward and you're gonna hold for 10 seconds there. And then go all the way backwards. And then hold 10 seconds again. Now go all the way up and hold 10 seconds once it reaches the top. And go all the way down. And hold 10 seconds at the bottom. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and turn off your car so everything resets, and you should get this warning, and it should say check okay, all system okay. And then just go ahead and press your ignition button again, make sure that everything has reset, and we're good. I don't see no wrench and I don't see no warning.